I vow to you this day, I dedicate this baby back to you. I dedicate myself to train and love them like you do. I will do my part. I will put your word into their heart. I dedicate this baby back to you. You have granted such a trust with this precious gift. With your power, by your love, my all I commit. On the straight and narrow way, for your purposes I say that I dedicate this baby.
Sapa. Uno. Uno.
Are you broken, low in life? There's a man who paid the highest price for your freedom. With every scar, with every wound came a brand new start. Make this.
Gusto silang mag-fashion show? Okay, sige. Madali lang naman po ito, Mommy. So, bago yan, tatanungin muna natin sila kung sino ang kanilang favorite artist or ka-localike. Okay, sige. Unahin na natin si Mommy. Ayan. Sino po kaya ang kanyang favorite artist or ka-localike? Sige, ako na lang mag-decide. Parang baka naman kasamang sigawan para kay Ivana Alawi. Ayan, wala pa lang po. Post ng tatlo. Tatlong poses. 1, 2, and 3. Ayan. Magkanyang favorite artist or ka-localike?
It's Marian Rivera.
Marian Rivera! Sige, paano ka naman para kay Miss Marian Rivera? Go, ma'am! Ayan, sweet girl. Na-arrange yourself or minimum to maximum? Ayan, isip na po tayo ng ating group mate. So kung sino po yung may pinakamagandang group name is magkakaroon agad ng 1 point for this. So unahin na natin tanungin ng girls. Isisigaw nyo lang po ang ginawa ninyong group name. Ayan, dapat malakas at may energy. Sige? Ayan, tanungin natin kayo. Girls, dapat po sabay-sabay. Okay. Ready ba ang girls natin? Okay, so kung ready na isigaw ang group name. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. Palakpakan naman para sa girls. Ayan, kung pinag-isipan talaga. Parang galing sa boys yun. Sige. Tanungin naman natin yung boys kung maganda rin ba yung kanila. So pag ayos sa girls, isisigaw lang ang group name ng sabay-sabay. So, arrange yourself. Pipili lamang kayo according to what I say, from minimum to maximum. Okay? For example, arrange yourself according to your height. So, pipili po kayo sa pinakamaliit and pinakamatangkad po sa likod. Okay? And after, according to your birth month. Let's go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opo, sigaw na group name. Opo, sigaw na group name. Okay. Sino po yung nauna? Yung? Sino po yung nauna? Yung girls. Ayan. Tayo girls. Tanungin natin, ano pong birth month? February, March, July, November. So dahil dyan, mapupunta ang 1.4 girls. And meron na silang 2 boys. Okay? So next po, arrange yourself according to your size ng sapatos. Let's go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ako, sige na yung Okay, nauna ang? Sino yung nauna? Ang boys. Ayan. Sige, tanungin natin ano tong size ng shoes? 9, 10, 9. So, mali ang kanilang pila. Ayan. Sobrang honest naman ni sir. Okay. Okay na sana eh. Oh, sige. Biglang lumiit yung paa. Sige, tanungin natin ng girls. Meron silang chance. Ano pong size ng shoes?